Drilla Nation, welcome back to a familiar place. We're back in the kitchen. Gonna make a nice cake for my older sister because it's her birthday. I haven't baked in so long, probably since grade 12, like food. So that'll be interesting. I was at Walmart, I got all the ingredients. I was trying to record there, but it was a bit awkward, you know. Shout out Lil Sis for recording though. Had myself a nice camera woman and it was free labor. Nothing is better, nothing beats that. So let me show you guys the ingredients. I'm cheating so badly, so got me some nice Betty Crocker. Shout out Betty Crocker, man. Came in clutch with the dry mix, and she came in clutch with the icing. So nothing better than that. I will be decorating the cake because it's mostly cheating anyway. So I just, it's either, if I'm gonna put my own twist to it, I gotta bring something to the table. So I got myself some raspberries in it because I think this is her favorite fruit. I'm not 100% sure what her favorite fruit is, but if I did, then I wouldn't actually even be her brother at that point. So just be some weirdo. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, welcome to another video. Okay, so now that we got all the tools, got some milk, some eggs, and the oil, of course. Got our nice measuring cup. So first off, we'll start off with the Muhammad special. With cracking the egg using the roof. It's the only way. Ooh, didn't even crack. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Look at those eggs. Next up, a cup of milk. That's 1 cup on the dot, man. Also, if you're not drinking homo milk, actually don't talk to me. Block me, unfollow me, bro, whatever you want to do. I won't take any offense to it, but I'm gonna take offense that you're not drinking homo milk. Into the pot. Then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Perfect. Doy. I'm like a Moroccan tea server that comes up to me. Oh, celebrity. Fasting makes your brain capacity weird. Sometimes you have bursts of energy and it's insane, and then sometimes you're like. Right now I got that burst of energy. I was gonna wait for my sister to come record me, but I'd be dead. I'm trying to give you guys some energy here, man. Next up, packet of the dry mix. Betty bloody crocker in it. Doish. Now we mix it until it's all combined. Now my hand is gonna be so tired, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe, or I'm gonna die. Time to mix. Usually I'm not home alone, which is actually so rare, and it's hard to record at home like that. So look at me whipping it up in nice peace and tranquility. The only person I'm accompanied by are these birds. This guy's the OG, man. Bro, please don't shit on my head, though. I guess he'll be my parrot for the day. Yeah, he left me, bro. He doesn't like me. I'm gonna use 2 of these, and then I'll stack them on top, make it look very nice. It's gonna be such a beautiful cake. I'm gonna butter these pans, I think, or margarine or something. And I'm gonna get them nice and ready. And I forgot to preheat the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna preheat the oven right now. Uno momento, señoritas. Also, the #1 rule when cooking, baking, blah, 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 hippity hoppertis, is to keep your station clean. See, look how nice and clean it is. It's fantastic. And look at my cameraman. It's literally so beautiful. We don't discriminate around here. Also, make sure you guys sanitize your hands. Yo, I forgot how to butter a pan. I have a non-stick spray, and I forgot how to do this. So I'm just gonna take a small piece and scrub it. I think that's the right way. I mean, my hands are sanitized. If you're a chef, just don't watch this video. Oh, I need help. Anyways, look at this masterclass. Whoo! Look at that. Do you guys see this? Guys, look at this masterclass, man. Name me one person that's doing this first time. Betty bloody Crocker in it. Shout out Betty, man. She actually helped me out so much, bro. Time to put it in the oven. Vamos, vamos. Anyways, yo guys, I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm bored. I just did the dishes and there's still 20 minutes left. I shouldn't have bought shout out Betty, but no, I'm bored. It just made my life so much more boring. I also need food coloring, but I don't know where that is because I don't really bake, but I'm just gonna go with white because white is right. Shout out Gideon. I'm just kidding. We don't discriminate. I'm not trying to get canceled. On a serious note though, if you are lactose, how are you lactose? Me personally, bro, I got my 10 toes and I'm chilling. No, for real though, bro, just drink milk, suck it up, bro. Literally. Anyways. Hey, Macarena. Hard work, it what you say, hard work. I think it's time to take out the cake to get the toothpick ready at least. Test it out. Boys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look how great that looks. The moment of truth, okay? Clean. I think it's time to let them rest for about 10 minutes or so, or even more, because I don't want to mess it up while I'm decorating it. I don't want it to like fall apart. So guys, my camera woman is back after a long trip of getting macarons, which we will be using for the cake. And she also knew where these were, food coloring. We could actually decorate. Right now we're just gonna make the colors and it should be nice and calm. Got some new drip, honestly. Put me in battle of better right now. So the audio messed up a little bit in some of the clips, but I'm just explaining that we're trying to layer the cake so then we can decorate it nice and properly. And just look at this knife work. I was just so clean with it. I'm an artisan. And I was spreading the icing, so obviously we could keep them together. First layer complete. Second layer, literally they just plop it on top. And look how beautiful and symmetrical they are. It's coming together, it's coming together. The final product will be absolutely phenomenal. Look at this precision. Look at this finesse. I'm the GOAT. I should have worn my GOAT shirt. I have this. I'm actually insane. So guys, we're done. The finished product is... Look at that. Shout out to my little sister for the macaron idea. And I'm not going to take full credit, but I did do most of it. And I did bake the whole thing. Forgot to show the raspberries, but that was the final product. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't get any reaction or anything like that because I was with my family and I don't want to record. It's not even my birthday, it's my sister's. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Take care and peace.